How to fix Instagram music isn't available in your region. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you some of the ways on how you can hopefully fix when Instagram says that Instagram music isn't available in your region. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So the issue over here is that let's say that you go ahead and simply launch the Instagram app, you want to upload a story and you want to add some fancy music to that particular story, but then Instagram basically gives you a notification or a pop-up saying that the Instagram music isn't available in your region. And sometimes what also happens is that whenever you're viewing other people's stories, you notice that they have added a music, but then the sound just doesn't play. That is because that particular Instagram music isn't available in your region. Now, one of the most likelihood reasons for this is because Instagram has not rolled out that feature in your region or in your country yet, and in that case you can simply do it with the help of a third-party app or by installing a VPN service. So in order to connect to a VPN, you could go ahead and simply open your app store, whether you're on iOS or Android, and in the search box you could go ahead and simply download any of the VPNs which you think is reliable for you. So go ahead and download any of the VPNs. There are some of the popular ones such as Turbo VPNs, Tomato, Touch VPNs, and so on. In my case, I already do have a VPN installed on my phone, so I'm going to simply go ahead and launch the VPN app. Let's say, for example, after you launch the VPN app, you have to simply go ahead and connect to a region where the Instagram music is actually available, and then you can come back to Instagram and go ahead and simply upload a story. Now, sometimes what happens is that you already do have Instagram music in your region, but then there are some of the songs which Instagram just doesn't allow you to upload. That is because the copyright owner of that song has not made that song or that particular verse available in your region yet, and in that case again you can simply use the VPN. But in case that isn't working for you, what you can do is, assuming that you have an Instagram account, the reason you're not being able to browse through all of the songs is because your account could also be a professional or business account. You have to understand that Instagram's business account has some limitations, and you can simply switch back to personal account and see if your issue has been fixed. However, if none of these solutions are working for you, you have to understand that if there is any type of song which says that Instagram does not find the song, it simply means that the song is not included in the Instagram's music library. You have to understand that Instagram is only a social media app and not a whole catalog of music, and if it says that Instagram music isn't available, it simply means that song doesn't exist in their particular story or on that particular app. However, there is a way to work around it, and that is by simply uploading a custom music from your own Android phone or your iOS device. In that case, if you want to learn how to add your own songs to Instagram music or Instagram story, then you can watch our other video by tapping on the eye icon which is on the top right corner of the screen. Hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you, and if it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts regarding this, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.